Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a special craft project dedicated to John Coltrane. Many of you may or may not know that John Coltrane, the great jazz musician, is also a canonized saint. So I thought making this Catholic inspired candle in honor of him would be perfect for All Souls Day, as well as a great reflection of history, heritage, culture, and of course, jazz music. For this project, I'm using a Catholic inspired candle that I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as a couple of images of John Coltrane that I got off the internet, a glue stick, as well as some gems that I got from Michael's. Please see the description box below for more details. As you can see that this craft is pretty simple. I'm just taking the candle, taking the image that I got, and using the glue stick to glue the image onto the candle. And then I'm just going to be embellishing it with the gems. And you can use any image you want. You don't necessarily have to do John Coltrane, but I just thought it was cool for the theme of All Souls Day. But if you can take it, if you want to have a different image, it's just something to show you what you can do with these Dollar Tree candles. And of course, you can totally make it your own. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch my video today. Hopefully this inspired you to make something very creative. As always, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, please be sure to hit the notification bell. See you guys next week.